12 points on Guru Nank Dev Ji. First point. Guru Nanak Dev was the founder of the Sikh Panth and also called as the first Guru of Sikhs. Second point. He was born in 1469 in Khatri family at Talwandi near Lahore. The village is known as Nank Sahib, which is at present in Pakistan. Third point. His name was Nanak, which is known in world as Guru Nanak Dev. Fourth point. Guru Nanak's father was the Patwari of the village. His mother was very religious. Fifth point. When he was 7 years, he joined the village school. At the age of 15, he had learned Punjabi, Hindi, Sanskrit and Persian language. Sixth. When he was 18, he got married to Sulkani Devi. He had 2 sons. Seventh point. Nanak wanted to give world the real message of God. Eighth point. Guru Nanak spent his life to spread the message of peace, kindness to all of mankind. 9 point. Guru Nanak travelled to places far and wide teaching people the message of one God who dwells in every one of his creations and constitutes the eternal truth. 10th point. Guru Nanak wrote many songs and poetry which are mentioned in Guru Granth Sahib. 11th point. He died on 22 September 1539, Kartarpur. 12th point. His teaching will guide us to walk on right way. Thank you.